Hi guys, my name is Marcaling Cabanyero from 12th ICT. Lesson 1. Introduction to ICT. ICT, Information and Communication Technology. It deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephone, internet to locate, save, send, and edit information. Is a study of computers as data processing tools. It introduces students to the fundamental of using computer system in an internet environment. ICT in the Philippines. Philippines is dubbed as the ICT hub of Asia because of huge growth of ICT-related jobs, one of which is BPO business process outsourcing or call centers. ICT department in the Philippines is responsible for the planning, development, and promotion of the country's information and communication technologies agenda in support of national development. Computer, an electronic device for sorting and processing data typically in binary form according to instruction given to it in a variable program. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that use the Internet Protocol suite TCP/IP to link billions of devices worldwide. Means of connecting a computer to any other computer anywhere in the world via dedicated routers and servers, sometimes called simply the net, is a worldwide system of computer network. How networking of networks is in which the users of any one computer can get information from any other computer. World Wide Web, an information system on the internet that allows documents to be connected to other documents by hypertext links, enabling the user to search for information by moving from one document to another. Is the information space where documents and other web resources are identified by URLs, interlinked by hypertext links, and can be accessed via the internet, invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Web pages. Web page is hypertext document connected to the World Wide Web. It is a document that is suitable for the World Wide Web. The different online platforms of World Wide Web. Number 1, Web 1.0 refers to the first stage in the World Wide Web, which was entirely made up of the web pages connected by hyperlinks. Number 2, Web 2.0 is the evolution of Web 1.0. By adding dynamic pages, the user is able to see websites differently than others. Allow the users to interact with the page instead of just reading the page. The user may be able to comment or create user account. Web 3.0, this platform is all about semantic web. Aims to have machines or servers understand the user's preferences to be able to deliver web content. Static web page is known as a flat page or stationary page in the sense that the page is as is and cannot be manipulated by the users. The content is also the same for all users that is referred to as Web 1.0. Dynamic web pages. Web 2.0 is the evolution of Web 1.0 by adding dynamic web pages. The user is able to see websites differently than others, etc. Social networking sites, wikis, videos, sharing sites. Features of Web 2.0. Taxonomy allows user to categorize and classify information using freely chosen keywords. Tagging by FB, Twitter, use tags that start with the sign hashtag, referred to as hashtag. Rich users experience. Content is dynamic and is responsive to users' input. Number 3. Users participation. The owner of the website is not the only one who is able to put content. Others are able to paste a content of their own by means of comments, reviews, and evaluation. Lazada, Amazon. Number 4. Long tail. Services that are offered on demand rather than on at one-time purchase. This is synonymous to subscribing to a data plan that charges you for the amount of time you spend in the internet. Number 5, software as a services. Users will be subscribed to a software only when needed rather than purchasing them. Google Docs used to create and edit word processing and spreadsheet. Number 6, mass participation. Diverse information sharing through universal web access. Web 2.0's content is based on people from various cultures. Trends in ICT: wireless access, high-speed internet, utility management, voice and cellular, audio and video conferencing, visitor management, lightning, energy, digital signage, HVAC, video surveillance access. Number 1, convergence is the synergy of technological advancement to work on a similar goal or task. For example, besides using your personal computer to create Word documents, you can now use your smartphone. Number 2, social media is a website application or online channel that enable web users to create, co-create, discuss, modify, and exchange users-generated content. 6 types of social media. A. Social networks. These are sites that allows you to connect with other people with the same interest or background. Once the user creates his and her account, he/she can set up a profile, add people, share content, etc. Example, Facebook and Google+. Bookmarking sites. Sites that allow you to store and manage links to various websites and resources. Most of the sites allow you to create a tag to others. Stumble upon Pinterest. Social news. Sites that allow users to post their own news items or links to other news sources. The users can also comment on the post and comments may also be ranked. Example, Reddit and Dig. D. Media sharing. Sites that allow you to upload and share media content like images, music, and video. Example, Flickr, YouTube, and Instagram. Letter E. Microblogging. Focus on short updates from the user. Those that subscribe to the user will be able to receive these updates. Example, Twitter and Twitter. F. Blogs and forums. Allow users to post their content. Other users are able to comment on the said topic. Example, Blogger, WordPress, and Tumblr. Number 3. Mobile technologies. The popularity of smartphones and tablets has taken a major rise over the years. This is largely because of the device's capability to do the tasks that were originally found in PCs. Several of these devices are capable of using a high-speed internet today. The latest model devices use 4G network, in LTE, which is currently the fastest. Mobile OS, iOS, used in Apple devices such as iPhone and iPad. Android, an open source OS developed by Google. Being open source means mobile phone companies using this OS for free. BlackBerry OS, used in BlackBerry devices. Windows Phone OS, a closed source and proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. Symbian, the original smartphone OS used by Nokia devices. Web OS, originally used in smartphone, now in smart TVs. Windows Mobile, developed by Microsoft for smartphones and pocket PCs. Number 4, Assistive Media is a non-profit service designed to help people who have visual and reading impairments. A database of audio recording is used to read to the users. Number 5, etc. Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail Cloud Computing distribute computing on Internet or delivery of computing service over the Internet. Example, Android, Dada, Symbian OS, WebOS, BlackBerry, iOS, Windows Phone. Instead of running an email program on your computer, you log into a web email account remotely. The software and storage for your account doesn't exist. On your computer, it's on the service computer's cloud. It has three components. Number 1, client computers. Clients are the devices that the end users interact with cloud. Number 2, distribute servers. Often servers are in geographically different places but server act is if they are working next each other. Number 3, data centers. It is collection of all servers where application is placed and is accessed via internet. Types of clouds. Public cloud allows system and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness, e.g. and email. Private cloud allows systems and services to be accessible within an organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature. Community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by group of organizations. Hypercloud is a mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud, while the non-critical activities are performed using public clouds. That's all for today. Thank you so much.